OK, I lied. There's a couple more SQL things I have to talk about. So one thing you can do is you can actually combine the results of multiple queries. So instead of asking for the results of one query, you might make two queries and say, I want to stack the results together into a larger table. So something you can say is, I want to select everything from bots where the name is equal to evanbot. That's your first query. But then you'll say, I also want to select everything from courses where mascot equals evanbot. So in other words, you want the result of this query, and you want the results of this second query, and you want them stacked together. And the way you stack queries together is using a keyword called union. So think of union as stacking the blue query and the red query results together. So you get the blue query, you get the red query, and they're stacked together. So it looks like this. The exacts, not the most important. Just know that they stack resulting queries together. Something to mention, by the way, is that union doesn't return the rows in any particular order. So you could get them in this order or this order. Both would be valid. There's a couple of special characters you can use in SQL as well. So if you ever want to write a comment in SQL, it's not the hash sign like in Python or the double slashes like in C or Java. For some reason, SQL's comment character is 2 dashes. That's what they use. So if you ever want to write a query and then leave a comment, what you'll do is you'll write dash dash followed by all the comments. And the comment is not read as code because it's a comment. Sometimes, if you want multiple queries, you will separate them with a semicolon. This is kind of dependent on the specific implementation. But sometimes if you want to update and then select afterwards, you would write update followed by a semicolon followed by your second statement. Now, once again, SQL is a very complicated language. There's all sorts of features that we haven't talked about at all. But just for this class, those are some basics you have to know.